Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're struggling with low evening energy, sluggish performance, and feeling like you're losing your physical edge after long hours of sitting, this video will show you how a time-efficient lower body routine can naturally boost your testosterone, increase pelvic blood flow, and also restore your stamina. Just stay tuned because we are about to break down exactly how training your legs can completely transform your confidence both in the boardroom and in the bedroom. Research shows that over 60% of men in executive roles experience decline in vitality and blood circulation from sitting for too long. It is completely normal for prolonged sitting to negatively impact your body's functions. I can tell you that the secret to reclaiming the stamina lost isn't found in quick fixes, but in training your body's largest muscle groups, which are the legs. Now I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises to do that require no equipment, and you wouldn't want to miss the last one. The first exercise is a controlled body weight squat, and in this you stand with feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest upright, and lower your hips down smoothly before pressing up through your heels. This movement triggers a powerful natural hormone response and pushes fresh oxygenated blood throughout your lower body. The second exercise is the reverse lunge, and in this we take a controlled step backward with the right leg, gently lowering the back knee while keeping your torso upright. Then switch the legs and keep the movement. With this movement, it opens up tight hip flexors, the muscles of the hips, improves pelvic stability, and also strengthens the leg muscles needed for lasting endurance, both within the boardroom and the bedroom. And the final exercise is the explosive glute bridge, performed on the floor or on the mattress. What you do, you lie flat on your back with your knees bent, and you drive your heels into the ground and press your hips towards the ceiling while squeezing your glutes tightly at the top. This movement activates the pelvic floor and lower body stabilizers, hence improving circulation. Now, with all this routine, you can just start by performing 3 rounds of about 10 squats, 10 reverse lunges, and 10 glute bridges. Making this routine a habit, you will see your performance improving slowly by slowly. It's all about consistency. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in case you find this video helpful.